Samsung is gearing up to launch a new wireless charger alongside the Galaxy S23 in January that will have never seen before features. A new leak suggests that one could get their hands on a shiny new Galaxy S23 a lot earlier. Twitter leaker Orexta has posted what appears to be promotional material from KT, South Korea's second-largest network provider. One can supposedly pre-book the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus are early as December 23rd, with pre-orders set to start on January 5th. Samsung may have the leeway to adjust its schedule this time, given that Qualcomm also plans to unveil the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset in November. It will be a successor to the wireless charger trio that Samsung launched in 2022. According to new certification, the new charging hub will have Bluetooth. Now it's the first time we're seeing Bluetooth being incorporated into a wireless charger, so I'm not sure what this is for, but the name of the device in the certification is shedding light on what that could be. It refers to the device as SmartThings Station. It's basically Samsung's central app for controlling all smart home device installed in your home. Several leaks and rumors so far claimed that the upcoming S23 series will approach the camera design from a different angle compared to the previous year, or more specifically, all three S23 variants will borrow the camera design language from the S22 Ultra. They'll have no camera hump but minimalist, individual circular cutouts for each rear-facing sensor. This alleged KC promotional poster seemingly confirms those reports, albeit the word confirmed may be a bit of a stretch because we can't verify the least validity. Nevertheless, the S23 and S23 Plus, as shown in the alleged leaked poster, each have three rear-facing cameras, surrounded by metallic rings. The back panels appear glossy, similar to the Galaxy S22 series, and S22 Plus retains the green color options from this year's model. According to Korean news, Samsung is aiming to ship 270 million smartphones for 2023. It's a 10 million increase from the 260 million target that is set for this current 2022 year. This is a pretty good realistic goal that Samsung can actually achieve. Considering how the smartphone market is these days, it's very hard to achieve this number considering how Samsung had unsold smartphones for the year 2022. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.